Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about integers. Okay, so let's start talking about integers. So integers are a data type. We're gonna talk about data types. Integer. Okay. So this number, this data type is very common. It's commonly used to access indexes and it's used in loops. Okay, so I'm gonna use this a lot. So let's start by defining what is an integer. So an integer is a whole number. Okay, is a number that don't have a decimal point or decimal value. So let's create a simple integer to explain this better. So for example, to create a integer, I'm gonna type int, which stands for integer. We need to give it a name. So let's give a readable name. For example, number, and we're gonna use OCaml notation, which is doing by writing the first letter of each word as a capital letter. For example, number of people is going to be equal 36. So you guys can see it. This is a valid variable. There are ways that we cannot create variables, which I'm going to show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. So let's print this on the screen. Let's use the printf function. Let's type there. And to print an integer, I'm going to use %d. After the string, I'm going to type a comma and the variable number of people and a semicolon. So this is all that we need to do. Let's compile this program. Let's wait until the compilation is completed. Let's execute. So you guys can see it. Let me increase this just a little bit so we can visualize better. At 24, I think it's better. So let's run again. So you guys can see there are 36. I forgot to put people right there. Okay, let's just put people and dot. Okay, people and dot. Okay, so we need to compile this program, which will compile faster now. Okay, so there are 36 people. Okay, so for example, I cannot add for example, we cannot start a integer with, for example, int. We cannot do this. If we try to compile it, it's gonna throw an error. We cannot add, for example, 5 people. We cannot start a variable with a number. Neither we can start with a special character. There's only one special character which can be used, which is the underline. So for example, you can do this. Okay, we can start a variable with a underline, but you cannot start with a parenthesis or square brackets. Okay, you need to pay attention to this, because if you don't pay attention, you probably will waste your time doing this. So pay attention. Okay guys, so you guys can see we use OCaml notation in C. Okay, remember to create readable variables that make sense. Okay, so that's all for this video guys, and see you guys next time.